Are you looking for a crochet pattern that looks intricate and elegant but works up surprisingly fast? Then you've just found it. This beautiful design features graceful fan-shaped motifs that flow into one another, creating a light, airy fabric perfect for ethereal summer shawls, scarves, tops, cardigans, wraps, you name it. All it takes is one seriously underrated stitch, the triple treble crochet. The height of this stitch allows you to create a luxurious-looking fabric that grows quickly, making it ideal for large projects without the usual time commitment. To begin, make a foundation chain that is a multiple of 7 plus 1. For example, you could chain 21 plus 1, 49 plus 1, and so on. You get the idea. For this tutorial, I've made 28 chains plus 1 for a total of 29 chains. Then add 3 more chains before starting the first row. Skip 10 chains. In the 11th chain from the hook, work a triple treble crochet. To make a triple treble crochet, yarn over 4 times. Insert your hook into the 11th chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook 5 times until only 1 loop remains. Chain 1. Work another triple treble crochet into the same chain. Yarn over 4 times. Insert the hook into the same chain. Pull up a loop. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops 5 times. Chain 1. Continue working 5 more triple treble crochets into the same chain, making a total of 7 triple trebles, with chain 1 between each stitch. You've just created the first fan motif of the pattern. Skip 6 chains, work a double crochet into the 7th chain. Yarn over 4 times, skip 6 chains. In the 7th chain, work 7 triple trebles, each separated by a chain 1. Skip 6 chains, work a double crochet in the last chain. Row 1 is ready. Turn your work. Work a slip stitch into the top of the first stitch below. To make a slip stitch, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, and pull the loop through both the stitch and the loop already on your hook in one motion. Continue working a slip stitch into each chain 1 space and every stitch triple treble and double crochet across the previous row. When you reach the last triple treble crochet, work a slip stitch into the top of the stitch, then work another slip stitch into the next chain. To begin the next row of fan stitches, chain 7, turn your work. In the place where you worked the last slip stitch, work 1 triple treble, chain 1, and 2 more triple trebles separated by chain 1. Skip 3 triple trebles. On top of the 4th, work a single crochet. Move to the double crochet and work 7 triple trebles separated by chain 1. Skip 3 triple treble stitches. In the 4th, work a single crochet. In the last stitch, work 4 triple trebles separated by chain 1. The next row is worked entirely in slip stitches. Make 1 slip stitch into each chain 1 space, each triple treble crochet, and each single crochet across the row. After working a slip stitch on top of the triple treble, place the last slip stitch in the next chain. Chain 1, turn your work, and make a single crochet in the stitch below. Yarn over 4 times. In the single crochet, work 7 triple trebles separated by chain 1. Skip 3 triple trebles. In the 4th, work a single crochet. In the next single crochet, work 7 triple trebles separated by chain 1. Finish the row with a single crochet in the last stitch. Turn your work and place slip stitches in each chain 1 space, triple treble, and single crochet across the row. From this point on, simply repeat these rows until your work reaches the desired length. As you can see, this pattern is easy to make. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed crocheting along with me. If you did, don't forget to check out my other crochet tutorials for more beautiful stitch patterns and project ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!